Right, I said I'd be back with the Ephemera kit, and this is quite a big kit, folks, I have to say. And so the money will match the kit, obviously. But in here, the jewellery and everything will be all different, but we've put the majority of the kit the same. Now, you've got ribbons. I'm not going to take it all out because it takes a long time to pack it all back in. You've got trims. You've got flowers. You've got charms. You've got handmade goodies. You've a bag absolutely chocker of envelopes and things, tags and... Oh look, I'm messing it up now. And things like that. There's all different things in them. Okay, and you've card at the back. You've also got some mulberry stuff as well, mulberry paper. You've jewellery, things to make things with, wooden things, lots of ephemera papers and things like that, more trims, envelopes. I'm just going to try and show you. See, you've all of this, loads. You've those, more papers that you can make things with. Hang on. You've larger sheets there. It's really hard to get hold of this stuff. Envelopes. And like I say, you've card and mulberry paper in the bottom as well as all your trims. So you've got all of that in that one box, but we haven't finished. The rest of the kit looks like this. And it is a bag absolutely chocker of however you say it, ephemera. So I'm just going to share that with you. Now, I've made these books so you can alter these books. You get the 2 book rings, you get the front and back cover. Obviously, I mean, you just put a little bit of sandpaper there to smooth that out. If you're recovering it, each book has got 6 pages for you to play around with. I've also made you all a small one, so you have a large book and a small book, exactly the same. In this pack, you've got all the printed stuff I've done for you. And there's some tag things there that you can decorate. Lots of printed things you can cut, you know, shred with your paper. For those who don't know, I'm just going to share with you. I'm going to do one because I know we've got beginners who will want one of these but don't know how to do them. Now, I'll just do this one. So what you can do is you can rip these and just do it roughly. You see, like that. And there's plenty in here, so don't worry about this. So you can rip it open or you can cut it. Once you've ripped it, you just do it real shabbily. Is that a word? Shabbily? My word now. So you just do it like random tears. And then you can take an ink, you know, like an ink pad or something, see that, and go around the edges. Or if you wanted to, and I might just, yes, I think I've got one here. You can take a tool if you've got one. I have this one. If not, you just take a pair of scissors and just say, for instance, you were keeping that as is, but you're going to cut it instead of it. And then all you do is you just do that, and that's for the beginners. Because and then you can either spray it or, you know, tea dye it or whatever you want to do with it. Like that. To shabby it up. So I know a lot of people know about it, but I know an awful lot of newbies don't know how to do them. But that's the sort of thing you can do. So I do apologise, but whoever gets that, I did it. and like I say, I'll show you them because I know people like to see what they're getting. Now we've got some blanks, which are these, and you just fold those over in half. Like that. And you can put that onto a tab, like onto a card like that. And you pull it in and out if you've made the envelope and whatnot, okay? So that's what they're for. So you've some of those, you've some of these flowers that are blank that you can either stamp, tea dye, emboss, whatever you want to do with them. We've put you some of these stamped images in as well. Of course, that one. Different images. You've got the corset. Let's have a look. Just bits and pieces for you to play around with. Right, Harlequin. Some of you have that one. You've all got those. You've all got these. Just things for you to play around with. It's what you call scrapbooking. That's all it is. So you've got those. I'm just going to pop those back in. But they're the handmade things that I've done for you. I've spent a long time on these kits, as you know, because we advertised them about 3 weeks ago. And they do take a long time to make up. Oops. So that's that lot. Like that. Then we've got this set here. And it is chock. So in here, I'm just going to roughly show you the sort of things you've got. You've they're printed cards, papers. These I absolutely love. Dressmakers. You've got Halloween. You've got all. I've given you cupcakes, butterflies, Paris. I've given you a really good mix of those. Newspaper articles. You have all of these printed things on paper. Then we've got more cards. Then we've got these kind of things for you to play around with. And they've all got the same in. When I say the same, you've all got a mixture of the same, a mixture of those, a mixture of those, mixture of those. You've got the mixture of those. Vellum, things you can cut out, some cards. You've got those. And an odd thing I've made ready for you to decorate and do whatever you want. That should go in the other one actually. But you've got all of those as well. Then we've got some of these, which are smaller things. Vellum, stickies, you know, sticky backs. Some more cards, and I put a set of these in. And they're all different. Really good mix. And oh, and that one as well. So you've 3 items that's handmade. That one so you can use in your book, cover it, whatever you want to do with it. I've made you an envelope ready as well. So all you have to do is decorate it and whatever you want to do with it. And then I've done the little thing like that, which can be cut in half if you want to. Whatever you want to do with them, they're all there. It's a really, really good kit. Because there's a lot of this in the box as well. Like I said, this bag is chocker. Full of bits and pieces, as you can see. There's bags of it. And then there's other bags inside as well in the kit. So your kit will consist of 1 box full of goodies with cards, laces, jewellery, whatever. And then you've got a bag full of it as well. That's what you'll get for your money. Okay? And what more can I say? There's only 6 done. They took an awful long while to sort out and do. And if you want them, I know I got a couple of names down. I know Deborah Bracken, is it? She wanted a kit, so there's a kit there for you. And who was the other lady? Who's the other lady? Let me see. Where did I put my book? There we are. I've got my book. Judy McMurtry. If you still want it, Judy, let me know. Because if not, I will keep the 2 back for you 2 ladies. But and the rest will go straight on the shop. And like I say, it's chocker. So that's the kit. And you get those 2 books to do as well. That's one big kit. And that's a big variety of things in it. So if you're interested, there'll be 4 on the shop. Run along and grab them while you can. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.